3. Okay, so here is how we are gonna discuss. First, how was my day? Okay, so today morning I have gone to morning walk with my mom. Okay, and after that, coming to home, I do have done this learners bucket pagination question. So here what we need to do, there was an API call. We need to make the API call and paginate that particular call. Okay, so whatever page we select, it should open for that basically. Okay, so yeah, and there is one more thing that I have learned. Let's say you have an array, okay, and you want to insert any element at the end. Okay, so you should do whatever array dot push and whatever element you want to insert. Okay, in case you want to remove an element from the end, then you can use the pop method. Okay, now talking about the unshift. Okay, so if you want to add any element at the start of the array, okay, so you should use unshift method. And similarly, if you want to remove any element from the start of the array, you should use the shift method. Okay, and I do have seen some interview output question, so let's discuss about them also. So these were here at I use guide. Okay, so this was one question which I found interesting. Okay, so here let's see what's happening. So where a equals to an empty object, b equals to one object, c equals to some other object. Okay, now here what I am doing, a array sign, b which is an object. Okay, so whenever there is an object, then it is taken as a string. Okay, so here the b will be coming as an object, as an a string, and inside it will be like object object. So now what, a object is equals to 123. Similarly, c is also an object, so it will be also treated as same. So here also, now a object is equals to 456, so the final output is going to be this one. Okay, so yeah, there was uh, some issue understanding this particular, but yeah, I mean, this was an interesting question, but I do got to understand it from ChatGPT. So yeah, good. Now coming to second question, where a equals to an empty array. Now a, uh, inside an array is string abc equals to 15, a10 equals to 15. If I am doing a10, which basically means that before this around 10 integer already do exist. Okay, so we are going to have 10 integer, not 10 undefined, you can say. Okay, so we are going to have 10 undefined, after that 15, and after that uh, this particular abc 15. The length on the console log is going to be shown as 11, because there are only 11 elements here. We are not counting this thing. Okay, so if I ask you the length, it will be 11, but if I count this one also, then it is going to be 12. Okay, so yeah, these were the output courses that I have done. Okay, and regarding this particular learners token pagination courses, so here I have done this. Okay, so what I have done, let's see. So first see the functionality. Okay, so here I can search. Okay, and I can change the page. Okay, so this is going to be my first page, and it is going to have only 25 elements. If I go to second page, it is also do have some elements. Yeah, so let's try to understand what's happening in this. So simple, I have made a, this is my main return. Okay, so here I am printing these data. Okay, and on the selection of options, I am making a set page call, and whenever set page changes, in this use effect, this make API function is called again. Inside make API call, by default I do have provided one value, but it can be changed. Okay, so what if someone is providing some other value, then here the page is going to be that one. Okay, and per page for now I have put it as constant 25. Okay, bnm is whatever you search for. Okay, so yeah, this was an interesting question. This did take me around 2 to 3 hours to finish up. Okay, now talking about the issues that I am facing right now, I don't think I do have a clear plan. Okay, means what I am going to do at particular moment of time. I'm just going with whatever I do have in mind. Okay, so for day 4, I am trying to make a detailed plan of what I am going to do. Okay, so here is my detailed plan that I am going to follow for tomorrow. Then let's see how we do. That's all from my end. Sayonara. Bye.